To have you people in our Animaster South X. It's really wonderful. So today, at this wonderful moment, I want to announce a wonderful offer for you people also. Okay. Today we are having a lot of competitions. The best will be given a certificate to buy memorable moment. Okay. As I told you before, I want you concentrate on your caricature. I wish you all the best of luck, and let's see who will be the best in another half an hour, right?
से पर्दे करो कि घोड़े से बंधी है हवा में लेके छुड़ाओ सारी आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके
विनर की फोटो ले रहा हूँ
आज हमें सजाने
कैमरामैन है
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तो मौसम का है मेहमान वो दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान
क्लोज से दिखते हैं
मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं याद करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आखिर वो भी मैं
बनता कैसे देखो ये हमारे मास्टर के आधे घंटे का टाइम मिला 1 घंटे तक हुआ है
स्टार्ट करते हैं ठीक है
क्या 5 ही पास से दे दें
पहला क्वेश्चन विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर ऑफ वर्ल्ड एंड वेयर इज इट
नाइल
नाइल तो ठीक है
मैं बताऊं
ठीक है इजिप्ट अफ्रीका थ्री डी के लिए व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ www नेट
वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब
very nice
चलो आप पहले वाले में खाली 0 दिख रहा है
नेक्स्ट 2D के लिए व्हाट इज द नेशनल सॉन्ग ऑफ इंडिया एंड हु रोट इट नेशनल सॉन्ग
सोचो वंदे मातरम
एक आंसर दो
वंदे मातरम बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय
वेपन ग्राफिक के लिए हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स आर देयर इन इंडिया कितने स्टेट्स हैं इंडिया में
States
32
फाइनल एक आंसर
32
Whether you win or lose, those who participated have to be given the prizes first. But fortunately, unfortunately, we cannot give. We have to select the best one out of this. So today, for the caricature events, we had a quiz competitions, posters. It was really wonderful and amazing. See, this is for the students who are not participated. The participants are actually telling them this is what we can do. See, this is a platform. This is a starting point. Okay. There will be a lot of opportunities. We will be nominating you people for the Fiki Frames Award. You see the characters of 9XL, right?
yes sir
What is it? Billy, Biggie Billy, and yes. Now they are also hunting for a new character. So when you're participating in these activities, you're actually gaining confidence, and you're coming to know what is the opportunities, what are the characters to be designed, how we have to design. Okay, this is a place where you are actually showing out your talents. The best one will be surely nominated from this, will be made to participate. We are also, as I told you, Fiki Frames Awards. Last year, our Animasters videos, promos were actually nominated. So we will be sending you the best students out of this. So I hope you the best success for the future.
thank you sir
थर्ड प्राइज थर्ड प्राइज हाँ तो मैं मुकेश आडवाणी
Listen, yeah. See, he had something in his mind. Okay, everyone did good. Okay, everyone's caricature was really wonderful. But we had selected with some theme what he was exposing, what he was presenting. The presenting skill is important. So you can share what it was actually. Please do not laugh. Tomorrow it might be your opportunity to stand and talk to the crowd.
मैंने सर घनश्याम का बनाया था और उसमें जब कैरिकेचर हम बनाते हैं तो उसमें मैंने उसका जैसे उसकी आईज बड़ी है या उसकी नोज या उसकी ईयर या उसकी हेयर स्टाइल उसमें कुछ उसका ऐसा डालते हैं कि उसकी चीज़ आना चाहिए। से स्केच था उसकी हेयर स्टाइल ऐसी घनश्याम की।
घनश्याम प्लीज स्टार्ट आउट।
इसमें कोई
सोनू किधर गया सोनू?
Excellent. Please give a big hand.
Position of the eyes, nose, and the ear. This is the main things we have to very careful when we draw caricatures. Even if the face is round, and even if the face is not actually what the person is, but the eyes, nose, and mouth should be at the appropriate place, which belongs to the particular person. So this is the main two objects I just sketch it out with my own idea. And lastly,
तेरे कोल रहना कहंदे नैना दिल करे कोल बैठ चन वे तेरा नाम जपदे रहना कहंदे नैना तेरे कोल रहना कहंदे नैना बस।
नाम क्या है?